Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an app with Google, full guide step by step clearly. Start by defining the purpose of your app. Consider what problem it will solve or what value it will provide to users. Next, outline the features you want to include. Create a wireframe to visualize the layout and design of your app. Once you have your concept, sign into your Google account. Go to Google Cloud Console to create a new project. Choose a name for your project that reflects your app's purpose. Enable the necessary APIs that your app will use. Familiarize yourself with Google's app development guidelines. Download Android Studio, which is the official integrated development environment for Android app development. Install any necessary plugins for Google services within Android Studio. Start a new project in Android Studio and select a project template. Design the user interface using the layout editor. Add user interaction elements like buttons and text fields. Implement your app's functionality through coding in Java or Kotlin. Use Firebase for backend services like authentication and real-time database if necessary. Test your app on an emulator or a physical device to ensure it works as expected. Debug any issues that arise during testing. Once satisfied with your app, generate a signed APK or app bundle. Go back to Google Play Console to create a new application listing. Fill in all required details, such as title, description, and category. Upload the APK or app bundle that you generated from Android Studio. Provide graphics, screenshots, and promotional text for your app's listing. Set user access and pricing options if your app is paid. Finally, submit your app for review. Monitor the status of your submission in the Google Play Console. Once approved, your app will be available for users to download. Regularly update your app based on user feedback and performance analytics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.